Master the art of pan frying. A simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a cooking technique that's both fundamental and incredibly versatile. Pan frying. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or looking to brush up on your culinary skills, understanding the pan frying technique can transform your cooking. So, let's get started. Pan frying is a cooking method that involves cooking food in a pan using a moderate amount of oil or fat over medium to high heat. Unlike deep frying, where food is completely submerged in oil, pan frying requires just enough fat to cover the bottom of the pan, allowing the food to cook through while achieving a crispy and golden exterior. The key to successful pan frying lies in choosing the right pan. Non-stick, stainless steel, and cast iron pans are all excellent choices, each offering unique benefits. Non-stick pans are great for beginners due to their easy food release and cleanup. Stainless steel pans excel in browning foods evenly, while cast iron pans are ideal for achieving that perfect sear due to their heat retention properties. Selecting the right oil is crucial. Oils with a high smoke point, such as vegetable oil, canola oil, or peanut oil, are best for pan frying, as they can withstand higher temperatures without burning. To test if the pan is ready, sprinkle a few drops of water into the pan. If they sizzle and evaporate, the pan is at the ideal temperature. When pan frying, do not overcrowd the pan. This lowers the temperature, leading to uneven cooking. Place the food in the pan and resist the urge to move it around. Let it cook undisturbed for a few minutes until it develops a crust and releases easily from the pan. Then, flip it to cook the other side. This method ensures a crispy, golden finish. Safety is paramount when pan frying. Keep a lid nearby to quickly cover the pan if it catches fire, and never pour water over a grease fire. Use kitchen tongs to add or remove food from the pan to avoid splatters, and always wear appropriate protective gear, like oven mitts, to prevent burns. And there you have it, the basics of pan frying. With a little practice, you'll be pan frying like a pro, adding a deliciously crispy texture to your meals that everyone will love. Remember, cooking is an art and a science, so don't be afraid to experiment with different foods and flavors. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!